Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to use your mobile phone as a webcam for your PC or your Windows laptop. So this process I am trying in my Windows 11 laptop. So you can try on another PC like desktop or laptop. Just you need to download and install one application for your PC and one application for your phone. Okay, first we will download the application for our PC. Okay, just open any web browser on your PC like this, and here in the Google you need to search Webcam download for PC. Okay, just search it and open the first link of this search result page. Okay, now it will open this website. Scroll down simply. Here you can get the option download for Windows. Just click and download it. Okay, and on your Android smartphone, go to the Google Play Store, and here you need to download and install Webcam. You need to download and install this app on your phone. Okay, after this guys, just open this app, and on your PC you need to open that install app. If your phone and your mobile is connected to same Wi-Fi network, it will detect automatically via Wi-Fi network. As you can see guys, now our phone camera was showing in my PC. As you can see guys, just rotate your phone like this. Okay, and place it on your webcam position for your PC. It will work as a webcam, as you can see guys. So this is the very nice and very simple and quickest method to use your phone as a webcam for your PC. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.